Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need yellow, black, red, clear, and green pony beads. You're going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. You're going to start with this pattern here, so if you need to stop the video to get your beads on, go ahead and do that. Once you have all your beads on, we're going to put these ends together and tie this. Okay, you're going to cut the small end off. And then you're going to put your needle on. Okay, we're going to go through this clear bead. We're going to add 3 green, and we're going to go through the clear. You're going to add 3 red and go through the clear. Three black, go through the clear. 3 yellow, go through the clear. Okay, we're going to repeat that. So we're back at green. Go ahead and do that for the rest of the bracelet, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I'm at the end here. I have my last beads. To start the next row, we need to go through this clear and these 2 green. This is what it looks like so far. Now for this row, the pattern's going to change a little. Green, clear, red, and then you're going to go through the middle. The next one, red, clear, black, go through the middle. The next one, black, clear, yellow, go through the middle. The next one, yellow, clear, green, go through the middle. And you're going to repeat the same thing 2 more times. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads. To start the next row, we need to go through this middle bead and these 2. So every time you start a new row, you're going to have to go through these 3 beads. Now we're back to how we started, so we're going to add 3 red, go through the clear, 3 black, go through the clear. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. So we need to go through these 3 beads to start the next row. And then we're back on the pattern where it's a red, clear, black, go through the middle, black, clear, yellow. So you're just looking over here. After you go through the middle bead, you're always looking at these 3 beads, and you're going to put the same colors on and then go through the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do this row, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. To start the next row, we need to go through these 3 beads. And this is going to be the last row of the cuff. So 3 black, go through the middle, 3 yellow, go through the middle, just like we've been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. So we're going to go through this middle bead. we're going to add 7 black beads. And we're going to go through this middle. We're going to do that with every color. So the next one's yellow. We're going to add 7 beads and go through the middle. Okay, we're going to keep doing that. So the next one's green and then red and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end. I have my last beads. We're going to go through this clear and these two. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, for this row, we're going to add, whoops, 9 beads. So we have 4 black, a clear, and we're going to do 4 yellow. And we're going to go through this middle. Okay, so we're going to add 4 yellow, a clear, and 4 green. We're going to go through this middle bead. We're going to add 4 green, a clear, 4 red, go through this middle, we're going to add 4 red, clear, and 4 black. We're going to go through this middle bead. And now we're where we started. So go ahead and repeat the same pattern 2 more times and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. We're going to go through this middle and these 2 beads here. And I forgot to mention, you want to make sure you're pulling the string really tight so you get these strong points. This next pattern, we're going to go back to what we were doing over here. We added 7 of each color. So 7 yellow, go through the middle. 7 green, go through the middle. Okay, you're going to do that with every color. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. To start the next row, we're going to go through this middle bead and these 2. And for this pattern, we're going to go back to adding 4 yellow, 1 clear, and 4 green, and then we're going to go through the middle. So it's the same exact thing we did right here. So you're going to copy that and go through the middle bead for that row. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. So to start this next row, we need to go through these 3 beads. And we're back to the pattern where we add 7 beads. And we're going to go through the clear. So you're going to do that all the way around with each color. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end. So we're going to go through that middle bead in this green one. Go ahead and tie it. Now to make this real pointy, if you find the middle bead on each of these and pull it, it will make it look sharper. So if you just pull that middle bead, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.